So there's a highly debated topic about eye protection in airsoft. Paintball has rules, airsoft has rules, but some of those rules are a little lax. But today I want to show you why you need proper eye protection, not these sunglasses, why you need full seal, ANSI rated goggles, whether it be a paintball mask or goggles on the field. And today we're going to show you the difference between mesh goggles and a pair of Velkin goggles to show why the Velkin goggles are superior so you don't go blind. I got this KW Eve here shooting about 375 feet per second. We're just going to put this on full auto and start blasting away on the mesh goggles. Okay, I really didn't need to shoot a full mag. As you see, the mesh goggles exploded. And yeah, your eye would have exploded. That's why proper eye protection is key. Let's go take a good pair of goggles like the Velkins and show the difference. So hopefully that proves why mesh goggles are horrible. Let's check out some great goggles by Velkin and show the difference. Same weight BBs, same distance. Now we shot more BBs than we did with the mesh goggles. Let's take a look at these Velkins. Nothing here, just a few scratches on the lens, a little deformation where I pounded the heck out of it. But other than that, full seal, still awesome. That is why you need better goggles. So hopefully now you can see the difference between the two. The mesh goggles, we shot the lens out, the glasses actually broke. And if you actually look at the back, the paint chipped off the back too, which would have gotten to your eye. Whereas the Velkins, the only thing that we saw is the inside is still clear. The outside had a little bit of deformation where we just pounded BBs into it. But other than that, it held sturdy and it didn't break like the mesh goggles. So when you go out there, if a field's lax on eyewear, be cautious of that field because you only have two eyes. We want you to keep both so you can keep playing airsoft here at Mere Tactical by only quality eye protection.